Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another episode of the Grooming Guru's Honest Reviews. And I've been using a really interesting product over the last 3 weeks, so I decided to do a review, a quick review. A lot of you have been addressing me with under eye issues, dark circles, puffiness. I think in our daily stressful life and watching lots of TV and constant exposure to the computer screen, we tend to have this under eye problems. I've been always looking for a good product. Recently discovered the Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex, and I decided to take about 3 weeks to use it to see how it works. So I'm going to tell you all about it today, how to use it, how I use it, and how it's worked for me. So first of all, it comes in this nice little glass case. In India, this costs about 4,600 rupees, which is not cheap, but of course, if it works for you, it's definitely worth the investment for the quality of the products that comes in. Let me just open it and show you what it looks like inside. So it's got this nice jelly-like texture inside. And there's no real smell. And I'm going to show you. Remember when I first started using an eye cream, I did not really know how to use an eye cream and I was rubbing it very harshly. But my skin specialist friends told me that the area around the eyes is very fragile and you can damage it if you rub it too harshly, and that's not the right way to apply an eye cream. So you need to dab a little on your finger. So it's very concentrated, so you need to use just a little and then use this finger. I like to use this finger because it's not very strong, it's weak, and then you just dab it under the eye. I know this is like a little, just take a little more. This is a more time consuming process. It's a little tedious, but this is exactly how it's done. So you apply it all around here. And of course, this area where you tend to get some crow's feet as well. And just kind of rub it in on your lower eyelid. Don't forget this area, which tends to be a little puffy and with a dark circle as well. Okay, so once I have applied it, I just leave it on overnight. I personally like to use it overnight. This is a product that I like to use with my night routine, and I wake up in the morning and there's no residue. I easily wash it off. Okay, so there's just a little, like a little tingling sensation for a couple of minutes. I guess it's just like when the product comes in contact with your skin. Now let me tell you the results. I've been using it for about 3 weeks and I definitely have noticed that my dark circles have reduced a lot. I had a dark circle problem. This was one of the skin concerns that I've spoken about in the past, and using it over 3 weeks, I can see that this area has definitely become lighter. Otherwise it was a dark round here, and I wake up in the morning with visibly fresher looking eyes. It has kind of lightened up this whole area and made this kind of the puffiness right here, reduced it considerably. Definitely worth the price. The product has worked for me in terms of texture and results. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any other recommendations on skincare products, I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And of course, we will constantly be doing these little mini grooming product reviews for you. So I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot until our next video.